Welcome back. Now that you have filled your form out, it's time to review your output options. Let's start with basic printing. When you click the printer icon or select Print from the File menu, the print window will be displayed, allowing you to change your printer and your printing options. Click OK when ready to print the form. Similarly, you can use the fax option from the File menu if you have a pre-installed fax driver. To utilize electronic output options, you may want to take advantage of an electronic signature. If you have a signature file, first attach it to the completed form by clicking the electronic signature icon and double-clicking the desired signature file. This will place the selected signature image into all form signature boxes. To save this signed form, you can use the Save as PDF file option from the File menu. Place and name the file, which will open the saved PDF file when the save is complete. If you have your outgoing email set up, you can use the Email Customer option from the File menu. This will attach the open form to an email template and allow you to choose a saved email address, fill in the body of the email, and add additional attachments if needed. You will find additional email functionality in the Certificate Holder Workflow tutorial. Agencies using electronic file options may wish to assemble a form packet. Close all completed forms and from the Accords tab, choose the Mark Forms for Mass Print option. Double-click each of the forms you wish to include, or mark all if you wish to include all displayed forms. If you have an order in mind, number the forms in the order column, then click OK. Click the Print Mass Marked Forms option, then do it. The first page of the forms packet will display, allowing you to apply a signature if desired. The signature will apply to all signature fields. Now you can use the desired output option, whether saving as a PDF or emailing the packet directly from the program. You will see in the email attachment or saved PDF file all pages in the specified order, signature intact. As you close the form screen, you can say yes to unmark all forms. Some advanced output automation applies to certificates with attached certificate holders, as well as accordion schedules. Continue on to see how to utilize those features.